Top 4 kidney cleansing foods. Do you have perfectly working healthy kidneys? Yes or no? Surprising, there are certain foods, herbs, and supplements that can make your kidneys solid and healthy. Once you've incorporated these foods, herbs, and supplements into your diet, you may want to consider taking your kidney support to the next level. If you can manage a well-rounded diet and adequate water intake, it is usually enough to keep your kidneys healthy. The kidneys are 2 small organs located on either side of the spine below the ribs. They play an essential role in getting rid of excess waste, balancing electrolytes, and creating hormones. From your morning glass of water to that extra cup of herbal tea, there are 6 ways to cleanse your kidneys and keep them functioning strong. Number 1. Antioxidant-rich fruits. Cranberries, black cherries, acai berries, unsweetened, and blueberries are jam-packed full of antioxidants. Blueberries and black cherries both contain resveratrol, which may reduce inflammation and kidney disease. In addition, cranberries may reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, stressing the kidneys, so prevention is the absolute key to healthy kidney function. Number 2. Beetroots. With the rich, dark red color of beetroot, it comes as no surprise that it does wonders for our blood and circulation. Beetroots are high in nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes narrowed blood vessels, increasing oxygen and blood flow and helping to purify the blood. Number 3. Lemon juice and water. Not only is this a beautiful and gentle way to wake the body up each morning, lemon juice and water also kickstarts digestion and aids in the detoxifying process. Both lemon and lime juice can help prevent kidney stones and act as a natural diuretic, makes you need to pee, assisting in flushing fluid and waste from the body. Number 4. Spinach. We all know that spinach is a powerhouse for antioxidants, but it's also rich in B vitamins. B vitamins are great in helping the body to produce more red blood cells, supporting the kidneys to work at an optimal level. Number 5. Hydration is key. The adult human body is composed of almost 60% water. Every single organ from the brain to the liver requires water to function. As the filtration system of the body, the kidneys require water to secrete urine. Urine is the primary waste product that allows the body to get rid of unwanted or unnecessary substances. When water intake is low, urine volume is low. Low urine output may lead to kidney dysfunction, such as the creation of kidney stones. It's crucial to drink enough water so that the kidneys can properly flush out any excess waste materials. Number 6. No processed foods. Stick to a wholesome, nutrient-rich diet. Step away from processed cakes, biscuits, white bread, and anything from a package. Although this is something you should strive for every day, the closer you stick to this eating style, the less the body has to detox from, lessening the burden on the kidneys. Also with this, you should take a wholesome diet with low sodium and sugar. Let's wrap it up. Most healthy people don't need to flush or cleanse their kidneys. Still, plenty of beneficial foods, herbal teas, and supplements can support kidney health. If you have a history of kidney problems, talk with your healthcare provider before trying a kidney cleanse. Drink plenty of fluids regardless of what you try. If you're looking to help your kidneys cleanse your body, try slowly incorporating some of the suggestions above. Always discuss dietary or health changes with your doctor ahead of time, especially before doing a cleanse of any kind. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on the screen you should check out. These will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in our next video.